At Orthodontic Experts, we make it a priority to answer your questions so that you can feel confident in understanding the treatment process. There is a lot to learn in the world of orthodontics, and it can seem intimidating. But the more you learn, the more relaxed you will be at your appointments. As requested, in this video, we will cover what you should know about receiving orthodontic treatment with false or missing teeth. If there is a topic you would like to learn more about, please leave us a comment below. You may be wondering if you can still receive braces if you have one or more false teeth, or even if you are missing a tooth. It is not uncommon for a person to have a missing or false tooth. In a study across 19 countries, researchers found that an average of 19% of the population wear some form of denture. Gum disease, tooth decay, and injury are the most common causes for non-hereditary tooth loss. In most lost or false teeth cases, you will be able to move forward with orthodontic treatment, and your orthodontist will be able to create a treatment plan that will work with your specific case. What can you expect from your orthodontic treatment when you have a missing tooth? If you have a missing tooth, it may be possible to use braces to close the gap that has been created by the missing tooth. This can reduce or eliminate the need for tooth replacement and save you time and money. It is a good idea to go through orthodontic treatment before having a dental implant for multiple reasons. One reason being that the missing tooth may actually be what is causing the alignment problems due to the surrounding teeth shifting locations. Also, if you are planning to replace the tooth, your treatment plan can take that into account and leave a space for the future implant. What if you already have false teeth? There are a couple of types of false teeth. These include veneers, crowns, and implants. A veneer is a thin layer of ceramic, porcelain, or dental composite material which is placed over the visible portion of a tooth to improve its appearance. As previously stated, it would be best to have braces before getting veneers, but that is not always the case. If you are receiving braces with veneers, the process will be very similar, but there will be extra care taken to ensure that the veneers are not damaged. This would include using a different type of adhesive and being extra careful when removing the brackets. Your orthodontist might recommend clear aligners in this case, so that there is less risk of damaging your veneers. Crowns are another common type of false teeth made of ceramic, porcelain, gold, or other dental material. They are usually used to place over cracked, chipped, or broken teeth. Similarly to veneers, this means that the natural tooth structure still remains underneath the crown and can be moved throughout the process of braces. Braces can be placed on teeth as normal, but a special type of adhesive may be used on the tooth or teeth with crowns in order to prevent damage. Like veneers, clear aligners may be a better option to reduce the need for adhesive. Like all false teeth, waiting to receive a crown until your orthodontic treatment is complete is ideal. Dental implants are different from dental crowns in that they affect the root structure of the tooth and are used to replace the tooth altogether. A titanium post is inserted directly into your jawbone to replace the missing tooth structure. Dental implants can make orthodontic treatment more difficult because implanted teeth are not movable. In order to receive braces with a dental implant, the teeth being adjusted will need to be away from the implant if it is already in place. If there is no other option, an implant can be removed during orthodontic treatment and replaced after your teeth have been aligned. Ideally, you would receive orthodontic treatment before a dental implant. It is important to remember that you can still receive braces with a damaged tooth, and most of the time it is a better idea to receive braces before replacing a damaged tooth. To learn more about braces with damaged teeth, check out this video. For more braces content, check out these videos. If you still have questions or would like to schedule a free consultation, please visit our website at orthodonticexperts.com or give us a call at 855-720-2470.